Good evening. Welcome to the update for Thursday the 19th of August. It was a busy day today. 10 dividend payments. It's for a total of 37 cents. And there was no returns of capital, it was all ordinary dividends. Do a brief rundown through them. First payer today was AbbVie, ticker symbol ABBV. It's a research-based biopharmaceutical company, so it's in the healthcare sector. And the dividend I just received was for $1.10, and it hasn't changed since the last dividend I received, and they pay them every quarter. So their dividend yield is 4.46%. Earnings per share is $3.66. Current revenue is $45.8 billion. Current PE ratio is 31.83. And the current market cap is $205.8 billion. It's currently trading for about $117 per share. Next is another very popular dividend stock, Colgate-Palmolive, ticker symbol CL. So it's currently trading for $79 per share. The dividend I just received was for 38 cents, and that's unchanged since the last time I received the dividend. So Colgate-Palmolive is a household and consumer products company. It's in the personal and household products industry in the consumer and non-cyclical sector. Its current dividend yield is 2.3%. Current earnings per share is $3.15. Current revenue is $16.47 billion. Current PE ratio is 24.79, and the current market cap is $65.93 billion. Number 3 is it's a monthly paying dividend stock. Colgate pays a dividend every quarter. But EPR Properties, ticker symbol EPR, is a monthly paying real estate investment trust. And it's currently trading for close to $47 per share. I think they only recently reinstated their dividend. It had been absent for quite a while, but the dividend I just received was for 21 cents, and it's actually down from 38 cents, the last dividend I received, but I don't know how long ago that was. I think it's been a good few months. So its current dividend yield is 6.21%, has an earnings per share of negative $1.43. Current revenue is $414.6 million. There's no value given for the PE ratio, and the current market cap is $3.61 billion. Next is Hasbro, ticker symbol HAS. So it's currently trading for about $94.50 per share. The last dividend I received was for 58 cents. And it hasn't changed since the last dividend, and they pay every quarter. So it's in the recreational products industry in the consumer cyclical sector, and it's a play and entertainment company. Current dividend yield is 2.71%. Current earnings per share is $2.8. Current revenue is Current revenue is $5.47 billion. Its PE ratio is 35.84, and its current market cap is $13.8 billion. And they pay their dividend every quarter. Next we have Horizon Technology Finance, ticker symbol HRZN. So this is a monthly paying stock. It's an externally managed, closed-end, non-diversified management investment company. So it's in the miscellaneous financial services sector. The dividend I just received was for 8 cents, and it hasn't changed since the last one I received. So its current dividend yield is 7%. Earnings per share is 36 cents. Current revenue of 31.65 million. Current PE ratio is 47.17, and its current market cap is 342.85 million. That's currently trading at about $16 per share. Next we have Kinder Morgan, ticker symbol KMI. It's currently trading for close to $16 per share. And it's an energy infrastructure company, so in the natural gas utilities industry. The dividend I just received was for 23 cents, and it hasn't changed since the last dividend. So the current dividend yield is 6.24%, earnings per share of 60 cents. The revenue is 11.7 billion. Its PE ratio is 28.75, and its current market cap is 42.32 billion. And next we have the People's United Bank, ticker symbol PBCT. It's currently trading for about $15.50 per share. And it's a bank holding company and a financial holding company of the People's United Bank, so in the regional banks industry. The dividend I just received was for 16 cents, and it's up 1 cent since the last dividend. So ticker symbol is PBCT. It pays its dividend every quarter. Current dividend yield is 4.37%. Earnings per share of $1.16. Current revenue is 1.82 billion. The PE ratio is 14.47, and the current market cap is 7.15 billion. And this is another very well-known dividend stock, Procter & Gamble. Ticker symbol is PG. Currently trades for close to $145 per share. The dividend I just received was for 74 cents per share, and it hasn't changed since the last dividend, but it pays it every quarter. So Procter & Gamble is focused on providing branded customer packaged goods to the consumers across the world. You probably know some of their products. They're in the personal and household products industry in the consumer and non-cyclical sector. Its current dividend yield of 2.42%. Current earnings per share is $5.76. Current revenue of 76.12 billion. Current PE ratio is 24.92, and the current market cap is $348.6 billion. So next we have SL Green Realty, ticker symbol SLG. Currently trades for about $70 per share, and it's a monthly paying real estate investment trust. But the dividend I just received was for 26 cents per share, and that's unchanged since the previous dividend. Current dividend yield is 6.98%. Its earnings per share is $3.30. Current revenue is 1.24 billion. PE ratio is 15.37, and its current market cap is 3.71 billion. And the last one for today is another monthly paying stock, STAG Industrial, ticker symbol STAG. It currently trades for about $41.50 per share. The dividend I just received was for 10 cents per share, pays every month, and it was unchanged since the previous dividend. It's another real estate investment trust. So the current dividend yield is 4.54%, earnings per share of 37 cents. Current revenue is 405.9 million. The PE ratio is 86.30, and the current market cap is $4.73 billion. So 10 payments in total, and it added up to 34 cents. So I'm going to put that and today's €1. However, has dipped quite a lot. Seems to be a lot of red today, all over. It's a bit of a correction. Yeah. I'll try this. Yeah. Louis Vuitton. LVMH. Which have I? Yeah, only €1 in. So you probably know Louis Vuitton. It's a France-based luxury group active in 6 sectors, which are wine and spirits, fashion and leather goods, perfumes and cosmetics, watches and jewellery, selective retailing and other activities. So they're in the apparel and accessories industry in the consumer cyclical sector, based in Paris in France. So currently trades for about 616.9 €100. Oh, sorry, yeah, 616.9 €100. And it's just took a massive drop. Okay, anyway. 1.36. Still very expensive. Anyway, its current dividend yield is 0.99%. Its earnings per share of €9.97. Its current revenue is 44.65 billion. Its PE ratio is 71.15, and the current market cap is €358.2 billion. Yeah, very expensive for a very low yield, but very well established, and they're not trying to be fantastic dividend payers. Now it's nice that they pay anything at all. Now into L and 9. Yeah, so that's it for today. And the end of the week tomorrow. Hopefully have a similar enough day today. Closing the week off with another day above 10 payments would be nice. Well, that's it. And hopefully I'll see you again tomorrow.